Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin with, ensure you have the following tools handy: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, thermal paste, and a microfiber cloth for cleaning. Once you have everything ready, power off your Lenovo Yoga 720-15 IKB and disconnect it from the power source. Next, remove the bottom panel. This typically requires unscrewing several Phillips screws located at the back. Be sure to keep track of these screws as you will need them later. Once all screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the bottom cover. Be careful not to damage any clips. Now that the bottom panel is off, locate the CPU and GPU, which are usually covered by a heatsink. You will see a few screws holding the heatsink in place. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws, and carefully lift the heatsink away from the CPU and GPU. At this point, you will notice the old thermal paste. It's crucial to clean this off thoroughly to ensure optimal heat transfer. Use the microfiber cloth and some isopropyl alcohol to wipe away the old paste from both the CPU and GPU surfaces, as well as the heatsink. Make sure everything is clean and dry before proceeding. Now, it's time to apply the new thermal paste. A small pea-sized amount in the center of the CPU is usually sufficient. When you reattach the heatsink, the pressure will spread the paste evenly across the surface. Once the paste is applied, carefully place the heatsink back onto the CPU and GPU, ensuring it aligns with the screw holes. Reinsert the screws to secure the heatsink in place. This step is crucial for the proper functioning of your laptop, so make sure everything is tight but not overly forced. After securing the heatsink, it's time to replace the bottom panel of your laptop. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Finally, reinsert the screws you removed earlier to secure the bottom panel. If you're feeling uncertain about any of these steps or don't have the tools, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. Additionally, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so no calls or travel are necessary. You can get a quote before any repair is done, ensuring you are well informed. Once everything is back in place, power on your Lenovo Yoga 720-15 IKB and monitor the temperatures to ensure that the new thermal paste is working effectively. Regular maintenance like this can significantly extend the lifespan of your device and improve its performance. Remember to repeat this process every few years or as needed, especially if you notice your laptop overheating or running slower than usual. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.